Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Idam Rahab bin Osman. I am from Group 5. We'll present about our group project, which is table solar DC powered fan. Okay, this is our group member from Group 5. The first one is Muhammad Akmal bin Musa. The second one is Muhammad Haikal bin Amran. The third one is myself, Muhammad Idam Rahab bin Osman. The fourth one is Muhammad Irham bin Khalid. And lastly, Steve Anderson, anak Patrick Linggam. Content for the slide is, the first one is a introduction. Second is methodology. The third one is a result analysis. And lastly, conclusion and recommendation. Okay, for introduction, solar energy stand out as the most plentiful, endless, clean and cost-effective energy source that could be exploited to economically meet men's rising energy needs. It has become increasingly clear over time how important it is to use renewable energy in the right way. Second one is everyday tools like a fans and water dispenser, among others, should run on a solar energy, if not entirely. Due to its portability, a solar DC powered fan is really more practical than other varieties, including pedestal, window and kitchen exhaust fan. The table fan under consideration is an axial model designed to run on a 12-volt battery backup and a DC source from a solar panel. The component of a conventional fan system are a fan, electric motor, a driving system, ductwork or pipe, and flow control device. Fan design is an effort to balance out of the many fan factors that have an impact on a fan performance. Next is a problem statement. The first one is people that live in a hot area keep their table fan switched on for the long time, thus consume a lot of electrical energy, which then increasing the electrical bill. Second one is using an electrical table fan non-stop would also cause problems such as overheating and damage on the cable that could cause injury such as electrical shock. For objective, the aim of this work therefore is to design an energy efficiency 25 watt single user solar table fan that will run for a maximum of 6 hours. This aim is to achieve by creating a design idea on the product solar fan through product design specification that could enhance better lifestyle and comfort of the user. Designing a solar fan that meets safety requirement of the user in his environment. Lastly, modeling the design using Autodesk Inventor design tool.
Hello, so my name is Steve Edelson Patrick Lingham. So I'll be presenting the methodology for our project. For this project, we mainly use Google Meet to discuss and decide the final output for our project assignment. And from that discussion, we decided to create solar DC powered table fan as the subject for our project. Researches were done to find out more about various products with design that was slightly resembling our intended idea. And then once we come up with the idea how to create our uh, project, our team designer first made some rough sketches to make sure the concept suited our requirements before creating the 3D model of the product. And this is the flowchart on how of the process of creating our project. So we start by identifying the problems of the project, and then with that we created the project proposal to be cleared and approved. After the project proposal was approved, we do data collection and data analysis on how to proceed and create the uh, product. And then once we had got the idea and the rough sketches were done, the project was drawn in 3D drawing. Once the 3D model is completed, we then do our report writing and do the video presentation as well. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, for the next slide is a result and analysis. And this is our result. The first one is a component part, which is isometric and orthogonal of the fan blade. This is our Autocad drawing for fan blade. Okay, next is for our component part. For the left side is our isometrical and orthogonal of the table fan stand. for the right side is our 3D drawing of the solar panel. And this is our full design for table solar DC power fan. After drawing all the component parts, will be assembly of the design, and the assembly design will look like this figure.
Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Muhammad Irham bin Khalid with matrix number CN2044. I will present the last part of this slide, which is conclusion and recommendation. The table solar DC powered fan is designed in this project using Autocad software. The fan provides the best option to save electrical energy that has solar panel to recharge the battery. It is powered by a renewable energy, which is a sun heat, and it also has a source power, which is a 12-volt rechargeable battery to use when there has no sunlight in the night. The table solar fan offers more mobility that are a cordless wiring, which make it easy to move from a place to place. For recommendation part, there has two improvements that we have seen when we observe and understand the purpose of this project. The first improvement that we can add is an LCD display on the fan. It can help user to see the battery level and can see how long the fan can last in the night. The second improvement is to use an application on smartphone that can connect to the fan with the feature of IoT, which is Internet of Things. It can help user to adjust the speed of the fan and can switch the fan from on and off with smartphone. That is all from our Group 5 project slide. Thank you.